sprung a couple of subs over. Yeah, man, this is a freaking racing family, man. Oh yeah, dude, we freaking share subscribers. Most of the race fans, they just love to watch racing. They don't really care. It's just that Lookouts has some sort of kind of commentary with it. Sometimes he flies his freaking drone. And he's freaking live for like lots and lots of the events. And also he has a race car, dude. It's freaking supercharged. I freaking love that Caprice. I heard it was a beast. Oh yeah, guys. Going down like Kodak when he just got out of jail. Oh yeah, sometimes freaking Lookouts get so caught up in his freaking live stream he forgets to move his car. Left lane for the win. Every now and then Ronnie has to come over and remind him, hey buddy, your car's like freaking in the lanes, stopping all the racers from really racing their car. If you could please move it. Look at all my people that's watching on TikTok, man. Y'all check out my YouTube channel. Look at racing. That's right. Nah, I didn't know that. Oh yeah, we got porn in the chat, y'all. Got all these bots, porn bots. They talking about getting freaky. Y'all get in this chat over here. They getting freaky. They talking freaky in the chat. Freaky, diggy, diggy, diggy. Freaky, 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 diggy. Wiggy, 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 wiggy. Well, I wanted to jam. What was that song? That remind me of that song. I would have been jamming that right now if I ain't had TikTok going. Wiggy, wiggy, wiggy. Uh-oh, y'all, they say I done made it. Limpy and porn in the same chat. Yeah. Imagine Limpy and the porn in it. He'll probably be the cameraman. Or the dude with the little take one. Go ahead. Like he whatever industry Limpy go in, he like to be the one to start it off. Ready, set, go. That's Limpy. Limpy the ready, set, go man at any sport. A jam on it. A jam on it. Yeah, that's what I wanted to jam. Tall starlight. You know what it is. Where y'all going at? Got this SRT Durango on the right lane. Action! Yeah, I can see Limpy. With the look. 3, 2, 1, action! As he as he hits his sweet cart pen. I wonder what he... Oh yeah, he is good with hand signals too. Imagine him after saying action, to be like this. You know, he loves doing this. He love. Come on, 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 a little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more. Action. Left lane for the win. Left lane for the win. Left lane for the win. Action. What's up with it, man? Are you trying to win something? Man, I ain't finna. I got the wrong gas in there. I put some E15 in it. I put some E15 on accident. Found us a small block. Let me see. Here go one right here. On that like a little 4-cylinder. Look out, y'all get on my YouTube channel. Man, hold on, man. I need to get. I'll be back. Let me go get some stickers, man. Or something.
All right, guys, got a bit of a
lookout. Hey, man. They got on the lookout racing. Oh, she rocking the shit out of it. She done been to the cleaners. Yeah, she done been to the cleaners, y'all. Oh, she earned her shit, y'all. Alright, I sure appreciate you for representing one time for the one time, man. I see. I just want to let it be notified. I see. Okay.
Go get your song.
Olympia AK. Oh, that's a little small. All these small blocks, man. Nice little old 302s. Little 302s. There's a couple blowed head gaskets up here, but let me go back to this car. Move your car, dude. I'm not gonna tell you again. Well, I don't know what's this right here. This one of them. What kind of motor is that? It's a. Ooh, that's a big block. All these small blocks just waiting for a tune.